Welcome to this episode of EagleAir TV. I'm Lucas Finger.
And I'm Elle Justice. This episode features the James River Power Plant,
Esports,
and bowling.
When the stacks at the James River Power Plant went down on February 19th, the event marked a bittersweet moment for some.
Olivia McCauley gives us more.
Opened in 1957, the stacks at the James River Power Plant stood strong. They were the main power source in Springfield for 20 years, helping Springfield grow and consequently the surrounding areas like Nixa. Robert Todd, a former employee at the power plant, spent his morning waiting for the event Blasting for the Better, a fundraiser, and the implosion of the stacks.
I worked from 1972 to 1999. So I started right after they built unit number 5. It was something new, and everybody had to get used to it.
Todd worked as a maintenance supervisor, operator, and a boiler supervisor throughout the years.
We done it all.
But nothing makes lighter work than a great team.
Oh yeah, we had a wonderful group. We took pride in everything that we done. We kept that place clean, looked like a movie set.
It was a great turnout with over $10,000 raised.
I couldn't believe it. We figured that they might be 50 or 60, and the whole lot's full. And we got here at 15 till 7, so everybody's interested.
And though Todd was grateful for his time spent here, he was sad to see the stacks go.
Well, this is kind of a sad day for me. I wanted to see it, but it's still a sad day that you see the place that you put your whole heart in for all these years, for 26 years, and just see it just crumble around you.
Loved it. I loved it down here. We had a lot of good memories, a lot of camaraderie between all of us, and it was a good place to work. We both had a lot of memories down here, of the same things, so it's kind of sad to see it go.
There is still much ahead for the city of Springfield and the growth of Nixa. For EagleAir TV, this has been Olivia McCauley reporting.
Students at Nixa are taking interest and turning them into scholarships through the esports team.
Elle Justice takes a look.
The esports team has been at Nixa for a little over a year now. Hendrix Trott, a sophomore at Nixa, is a part of the esports team.
The esports team is basically people taking casual games to a competitive level.
The esports team competes against schools in the area. Parker Barnes, a junior at Nixa, says the options are limited.
Right now we only offer 3 games, which are Rocket League, Overwatch, and League of Legends.
There are many scholarship opportunities offered to esports participants.
Depending on what schools and how popular we get based off of the matches and tournaments that we win, that will help display the amount of scholarships.
The esports team will continue to grow at Nixa High School. If you are interested in joining the esports team, contact Mr. Dunn. For EagleAir TV, this has been Elle Justice.
The Nixa Bowling team has grown in popularity.
Dalton Herring gives us more.
Bowling is a growing activity at Nixa High School. Senior Leah Cody has been bowling for 4.5 years.
Currently in first place, winning by a landslide. The family that you get put into.
Coach Evans has been coaching since 2015.
So far the season's doing really well. We've only had 2 competitions, have not lost a game yet. I don't necessarily have any concerns. I think the biggest thing would be just to make sure that everybody enjoys themselves.
For EagleAir TV, this is Dalton Herring.
Make sure to check out the new episode of the Eagle Wings featuring Daniel Gutierrez at nixajournalism.net.
Thanks for tuning into this episode. Have a safe spring break. We'll see you next time.
I'm just gonna stick my don't look at me. Swak. Spicy. I think it could be a good cut.